Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech. Today we're delving into some of the largest and most impressive machines on the planet. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Excavator KU-800 from Unikovska Strojierny is an absolute behemoth. Standing at 52 meters tall and stretching over 170 meters long, weighing around 4,400 tons, which is equivalent to 131 Boeing 737s, this excavator is one of the largest self-propelled machines ever made. Its 12.6 meter diameter wheels are equipped with 15 buckets, each holding 1,000 liters. Simply incredible. The engineering behind this machine is astonishing. Imagine the power and precision needed to handle such a giant. It's designed to tackle the toughest excavation tasks with ease. Number 2. Hitachi EX-8006. The Hitachi EX-8006 redefines heavy machinery with a weight of 837 tons. Standing tall at 10 meters and stretching 8 meters wide, it's essentially a mobile 3-story building. The EX-8006's massive 43 cubic meter bucket can scoop up earth equivalent to 6 11-ton trucks in a single go. Its twin Cummins QSKT 60C engines, each pumping out 1,940 horsepower, ensure it moves mountains with ease. This is the future of excavation technology. Number 3. Bucket Chain Excavator RK5000. The RK5000 Bucket Chain Excavator is a true giant in the world of heavy machinery. Built in 1983 in Československa, this beast weighs over 5,600 tons and requires 6 operators to function. Its sheer size and power are mind-blowing, with the ability to shift 4,450 cubic meters of overburden per hour. Unlike other excavators that use caterpillar tracks, the RK5000 walks on feet, adding to its unique appeal. Watching it in action is like seeing a piece of history come alive. Number 4. LIEBHERR T282. The LIEBHERR T282 is a luxury off-highway haul truck with a rigid frame, 2 axles, a diesel-electric engine, and an AC-drive system. It is designed and manufactured in the United States by LIEBHERR Mining Equipment Company. The truck has a payload capacity of up to 330 metric tons, 360 short tons, and is specifically built for high-productivity mining applications worldwide. Number 5. Tribine T1000. The Tribine T1000 represents the pinnacle of harvesting technology. With a capacity of 1,000 bushels and an unloading rate of over 500 bushels per minute, This machine significantly reduces the need for grain carts, saving you time and labor costs. Its ability to operate for 24 hours straight without refueling is a game changer, allowing you to make the most of every harvest season. This is a must-have for large-scale farming operations looking to maximize productivity. Number 6, Komatsu D575A-3. Before being replaced by the 980 E4, the 960 E1 was Komatsu's largest and highest capacity cargo truck. This behemoth of a haul truck is equipped with a cutting-edge dual AC electric drive system powered by the Komatsu Cummins SSDA 18-volt 175-18 engine, delivering a staggering 3,500 horsepower. Its ability to transport up to 360 short tons ensures farmers save time, effort, and costs while maintaining high product quality and boosting overall productivity. Number 7, CAT 798 AC. The CAT 798 AC electric drive truck hauls up to 410 tons with superior efficiency, controllability, and reliability. It's built to enhance productivity with a high payload capacity of up to 372 tons per load, high-speed capability on grades, and easier maintenance. Operators benefit from greater visibility thanks to the wide field of view from the cab and the radial retard grid that improves the right-hand view. Number 8, Alma Transporter. Alma's Otto and Lore redefine precision and power in astronomical technology. With 500 kilowatts engines driving each wheel, these transporters effortlessly handle slopes and altitudes to deliver Alma's 100-ton antenna exactly where needed. Supporting cryogenic systems on board, they ensure uninterrupted operations at 5,000 m altitude, securing the clarity and quality of every observation. Number 9, Terex 33 Titan, the world's largest truck for 25 years. Only one was built as a prototype, and after 13 years of service, Titan retired to become a display piece. Manufactured by General Motors' Terex division in 1973, the Titan was assembled in London, Ontario, Canada. It has a payload capacity of 350 tons and an empty weight of 231 tons, totaling 600 tons when fully loaded. At full load, it can reach a speed of 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per h. The Titan is powered by a 16-cylinder diesel engine with 3,300 horsepower. Number 10, the John Deere 1050K dozer is built for heavy-duty performance. With 350 GP and a 32 cubic yard blade, it's perfect for large-scale projects. The hydrostatic transmission system cuts down on material loss and adjusts torque and speed on the fly. A true testament to John Deere's engineering excellence. Number 11, MASSIVE SGC 250. The SGC 250 by Cerens redefines heavy lifting with its colossal capacity and innovative design. With a jaw-dropping maximum load moment of 250,000 metric tons and the ability to lift 5,000 tons, this crane sets new standards in heavy lifting. Its flexibility, with a main boom extendable up to 160 m and jib up to 100 m, ensures it's ready for any job. Number 12, Ploeger at 5,104. The Ploeger at 5,104 is an excellent addition to any large farm. With its 22 cubic meters polyester tank and integrated slosh baffles, it's designed for efficiency. The 8 loading arms 160-degree reach is impressive, and the Borger pump with Vogelsong cutter ensures optimal slurry flow. Precision farming integration is a huge plus. Number 13, KTEC 1263 AADT. The KTEC 1263 ADT is the world's largest pull pan scraper, designed for massive earth-moving tasks. With its massive 63 cubic yard capacity and efficient cycle times, it's perfect for large-scale projects. The bolt-together design and push block add to its functionality. Number 14, prosthesis. Jonathan Tippett has taken human-machine interaction to the next level with prosthesis. A 3.96 m tall, 5.1 m long, 5.51 m wide exoskeleton made of chromoline. So inspiring to see prosthesis bag a Guinness World Record. Jonathan Tippett's prosthesis is not just a machine, it's a whole new sport. The sheer size and power of this exoskeleton, combined with its reliance on human piloting, is a testament to physical mastery and technological advancement. Number 15, Zoomlion ZAT 24000H. The ZAT 24000H by Zoomlion is truly a giant in the crane world. 22.5 m long, 3 m wide, and it can go on the road legally. With a 9-axle chassis and a 7-section telescopic main arm, it can handle 160-meter wind power installations like a pro. Fast 30-minute turbine lift time make this crane a must-have for big projects. Number 16, Mary Crusher MT700, one of the greatest crawler tractors on the market. It features a powerful 768 GP, 565 kilowatts, engine, and an extreme duty mechanical power takeoff, enabling it to work faster with lower fuel consumption per hectare, making it one of the most efficient crawler tractors available. Its hydrostatic drive allows for seamless speed adjustment from 0 to 18 kilometers per h, and the double-acting, independently controlled lift arms enable crusher leveling during operation. Number 17, XCMG XE 1600. This crane can lift a staggering 1,600 tons and has a main boom length of 92.4 meters. The 480 kilowatts engine at 1,800 revolutions per minute ensures it performs flawlessly under heavy loads. Number 18, HMK 640WL. With a 4.2 cubic meters bucket capacity and 324 GP Mercedes engine, the HMK 640WL delivers high efficiency and low fuel consumption. The ROPS/FOPS certified cabin ensures safety and comfort for the operator. The 35-degree tilting feature and high breakout force make maintenance and operation a breeze. Plus, it's won international design awards. Number 19, CAT 992 G-time flies. But the CAT 992 large wheel loader remains a benchmark in its class for over 50 years. It boasts a bucket capacity of 11.5, 12.3 cubic meters, and can travel at speeds up to 20.2 kilometers per h. With a weight of 95.5 tons and a powerful 610 kilowatts CAT 3508 BEUI engine, this beast is built to last. Number 20, Wright 750 Earthquake. The Wright 750 Earthquake, with its powerful Detroit diesel 12 V92 engine, is an absolute powerhouse in the field. Weighing over 31.5 tons and measuring 30 feet long, this machine is built to handle the toughest farming tasks. It's fascinating to see one of the 38 units ever built by D.L. Curtis Co. still in action and drawing crowds at exhibitions. Truly a legend in farm machinery. Number 21. LIEBHERR R9350. The LIEBHERR R9350 is a powerhouse. With a Cummins QSK45 or QSK50 engine pushing 1,120 kilowatts at 1,800 RPM, and emissions compliance up to Tier 4F EU Stage Phi. Its bucket can handle 18.70 cubic meters at 1.8 tons cubic meter, making it a top choice for heavy-duty mining operations. Number 22, TI Europe. The TI Europe is a giant on the seas. Formerly known as Hellespont Tara, this supertanker is now owned by Minsheng Chihao Shipping Leasing Co. Ltd. With its massive size and capacity, it truly stands out as the largest oil tanker in the world. Number 23, TCC 7800. The rail-mounted TCC 78000 heavy-duty crane has a maximum load capacity of 1,600 tons and can be moved with a load on a portal over 420 meters between the LIEBHERR MCC Tech Rostock GmbH factory premises and the adjacent quayside. Number 24, Class Lexion 780. The Class Lexion 780. TerraTrack is a true powerhouse with an impressive engine power of 460 kilowatt, ensuring robust performance and efficiency in the field. With a grain tank size of 13,500 liters, this combine harvester maximizes productivity by reducing the frequency of unloading, allowing for continuous harvesting even in large fields. Number 25, DAM-ON-TRACK DT3500H. The DAM-ON-TRACK DT3500H, featuring a 3-axle chassis with steerable first and third axles, dynamically adjusting to load conditions. It achieves speeds from 0 to 40 kilometers per h, optionally up to 50 kilometers per h, and can be controlled effortlessly via joystick or accelerator pedal. This self-propelled chassis accommodates interchangeable Profi-class sprayers or Gustro or fertilizer distributors, offering flexibility in agricultural applications. Equipped with a multifunctional 200-liter box and a tool compartment. Number 26 Komatsu HD 785. The Komatsu HD 785 has an empty weight of 70.4 tons and a loaded weight of 166.5 tons. This super hauler is typically used in coal mines, quarries, and large-scale construction sites such as hydroelectric dam projects. The truck stands 5.2 meters tall, nearly 6 meters wide, and over 11 meters long, making it comparable in height to a two-story building. This massive truck, weighing over 100 tons, has wheels that are 2.7 meters tall, nearly twice the height of an average person. Komatsu, the hydraulic rotary drilling rig with its retractable undercarriage and high-stability roller, is amazing. It's designed for deep drilling up to 60 m and handles diameters up to 2,000 mm. The Cummins engine not only provides powerful performance, but also complies with Euro 3 standards. Number 28 Keystrak I4E, or the I4E's reversible horizontal impact crusher is a beast. With a capacity of up to 250 tons per hour and a heavy-duty plate apron feeder, it's built for serious productivity. With 30%, 40% energy savings compared to cone and VSI crushers, it's both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Number 29, Cutter Soil Mix. In 2004, Bauer came up with the idea of combining the best of two techniques already used, the cutter wheels and the soil mixing principle. The cutter wheels of the trench cutter system used for making diaphragm walls have already proven themselves to be revolutionary. These cutter wheels are combined with the soil mixing principle in order to obtain the new innovative cutter soil mix, CSM, system. It consists of a cutter head with two cutter wheels. Number 30, BMM 300 brick making machine. The BMM 300 brick making machine is a powerhouse. Producing 12,000 bricks in just 1 hour is a major efficiency boost for any brick making factory. It's great to see a machine that can handle a variety of raw materials like clay, mud, and fly ash. definitely a must-have for large-scale operations. These giant machines have wrapped up our adventure for today. Remember to like and subscribe for the latest videos every day. Wishing you moments of relaxation and enlightenment. Goodbye and see you next time.